Glowing, healthy, beautiful, vibrant skin is easy, and I'm here to show you how. Hi, my name is Chrisanne Carwitz. I'm a paramedical esthetician. I've been in the industry for over 30 years, from working in the cosmetic industry at the age of 15, then working with a dermatological surgeon, to working in the spa industry. Through the years, I have found that confusion, expense, unnecessary, painful, or scarring results, and a lack of information absolutely heartbreaking. Please subscribe for skincare tutorials, product reviews, simple skin routines, acne and anti-aging treatment recommendations, the Never Would I Ever section, and watch for more tips and tricks, things that I have learned throughout the years of experience in the cosmetic, medical, and spa industries. Learn how to make healthy skin easy and affordable and achieve vibrant, glowing, beautiful skin. This tutorial is about basic skincare routines. And basically, there are 3 steps to a regular skincare routine. 3 products, 3 steps. We're going to keep this easy, simple, and convenient. And then there's 2 steps for maintenance, once to twice a week, depending on your skin. Then for skin transformation, it's best to see an esthetician. That's what we do. Think of it like seeing a dental hygienist. They do things that's a little bit more than what you could do at home, but it's skincare, like brushing your teeth. And then the maintenance would be like flossing. And then seeing a dental hygienist would be similar to seeing an esthetician. It's a little bit more transformation, a little deeper cleaning, and things that you wouldn't be able to do regularly at home. But if I was to prioritize, I would say brushing your teeth every day is where you start. So what I am recommending is that you just do those 3 steps. Good products. Make sure that they're natural and organic. If you have any questions, turn your product around. Take a look at the ingredients. There shouldn't be too many ingredients on the back. And if you have any questions, go ahead and look those ingredients up. Through the years in the industry and looking at different types of products, I've found it appalling that in Europe and Canada, they have 1,300 banned ingredients as known carcinogens and toxins. And in America, we only have 11. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you the products that I use and also have on my website. But what I recommend is that you take a look at the ingredients, because the ingredients is what is ingested into the skin. It's vitally important that what we put on our skin is healthy and feeding our skin tissue. I'll be going over the 3 basic steps of skincare and then the 2 basic steps for skin maintenance that you can be doing at home. A lot of people get confused with skin typing. And the reality is that most people, about 90%, fall into the normal to oily, normal to dry category. You cannot assess your skin type by how your skin is reacting. Quite oftentimes, people have reactions and it's 100% due to the type of ingredients that they're putting on their face. If you were to turn your product around and take a look at the ingredient, anything that ends in a BAN, BEN, or an ONE is a paraben, a silicone, or a wax. You do not want to be putting that on your face. It's kind of like putting plastic wrap on your face and then wondering why you're creating skin issues. A lot of skin issues are a direct result to the ingredients that you're putting on your face. If you are using alcohol and stripping your skin of its natural oils, it will produce more oil. If you have any questions about your ingredient, feel free to look it up on the internet, and then you'll see exactly if it's been categorized as a carcinogen or a toxin. My passion and goal is to help to promote American-made natural ingredients in products. If you have a product that you would like me to review, I'd be more than happy to do that and then to make some recommendations there. Quite oftentimes you'll hear that people say you should change your products because they're not working any longer. It's just not true. Most people are using on their face the equivalent of washing your hair with dish detergent and then conditioning it with mayonnaise and wondering why it's not balanced all the time. On one hand, you're stripping your skin of its natural oils, and on the other, you're not hydrating the skin and you're creating this plastic film over the top that's actually suffocating your skin tissue. Women in Europe get facials every month. Their grandmothers were getting facials every month. It's a part of their culture. They think of it like we think of our teeth and our hair, and we would not consider it a luxury to go to the dentist. And I feel for people who go to seek medical treatments and find them overly abrasive and painful. I worked for a short period of time for a dermatologist who encouraged his estheticians to spend less than 20 minutes on each client. These are clients with cystic acne that really needed some good skin maintenance, extractions, and I believe information and instruction on skincare. Plus, I feel that it was very important to prep the skin properly before doing any kind of an extraction. This particular physician had his estheticians use lancets and scalpels and no steam, just go in there, cut the cyst and the acne open, do the extractions, and have them leave. Quite oftentimes pretty bloody and swollen because of the nature of the treatment. I had a 14-year-old young woman sit on my table and burst into tears before I even touched her. I took the time to give her some instruction. I gave her the power to stop the treatment whenever she wanted, and we actually had a very good treatment, and she came back to me and requested me on a regular basis. I believe truly that skincare should be simple and easy and not time-consuming. Let's show you how to do that. So very simply, you want to pick a cleanser that's appropriate for your skin. These are the two cleansers that I have on my website. Again, take a look at the ingredients. What I'm recommending for you is the ingredients and the quality of the ingredient and the integrity of the company. This one in particular is for a sensitive and mature skin. This is for brightening and a more of an acne skin type. Remember what I had said earlier about skin typing? It's so simple. It all has to do with pore size. Small pores, dry skin, most likely sensitive. Large pores, which looks more like an orange peel type of skin. It has a little bit of texture to it, and you can visibly see the pores, not just within the T-zone. That would be an oilier skin type. You cannot categorize your skin according to the amount of oil it has or the amount of breakout it has just by those facts alone. You need to just look at the pores and then treat the skin in order to stabilize it and maintain healthy skin all the time. The next step in a basic skincare program would be a toner or a serum. My recommendation is always a serum. It has a bit more potency to it. But I like a good toner because you can use it during the day. And I like a toner, a good toner, something without alcohol in it that strips the natural oils, but something with some essential oil. My favorite is frankincense. And you can use this particular type of a toner. Again, you can take a look at the ingredients because it's the ingredients that I'm recommending. You can put this in your gym bag and use it all during the day or when traveling, right over the top of makeup. It's fabulous. This is a serum. It's going to have a bit more potency to it, and it's going to be a bit of a heavier consistency. My preference is cleanser followed by a serum. And then you need to use a moisturizer. So that's it, basic skincare. 3 steps: cleanser, serum, moisturizer. That's easy, right? Just put on your cleanser, and I recommend when you have a good product with quality ingredients, and surprisingly, they're not more expensive than some of the non-quality ingredients. My recommendation is that you use half as much. It should last you for at least 6 months or so if it's a good quality product. You take a half a pump of cleanser, put it in the palm of your hand, put it on your face, emulsify it real good, and then you can take that off with a washcloth, or let me show you one of my inside tricks. This here is a 4x4 that you can get on Amazon. It says on the box 4x4 cotton wipes. You take this wipe, and I'll show you my Esthetician fold. You take your fingers, and like a scissor between your 2 fingers here, then you want to wrap it around all 3 fingers and put it right underneath the middle finger there. Now what you have is this really fabulous wipe, which is really great if you're camping or traveling. Then you don't need to use very much product. Another trick I have is to just take 7 of these, put them inside of a Ziploc bag with a little bit of cleanser and some water, and you've just created a really good natural cleansing wipe. Take this and just clean your face. That's it. This is also really nice for getting in and around the eyes. A product I could recommend today would be this Medicine Mama's Bee Magic. I love this. It's wonderful for healing, and it is also great for taking off eye makeup if it's waterproof or you're wearing heavy makeup. It has a thicker consistency to it, but it's not petroleum. Now, when it comes to maintenance for your skin, step number 2 is maintenance. I recommend a mask and a scrub once a week or twice a week if it's during your cycle. If you have a more mature skin or sensitive skin, then you could do this twice a month. For the mask, my recommendation is that you use 100% calcium bentonite clay. This particular type of clay is something that I have formulated that also has organic cocoa in it. And I like this because it smells like chocolate cake batter. In order to create a scrub, you could use the mask, the clay, and mix that with organic honey and organic sugar. It makes a wonderful scrub. Just leave this on your skin for about 5 or 10 minutes. It will start to ash a little bit. Then jump in the shower and exfoliate that off, and you have a beautiful scrub. After the scrub, you can put a little bit more Medicine Mamas on there. That's what I do. But I have sensitive, mature, rosacea skin, so I like to use something that's going to heal my skin right after a gentle scrub. So there you go. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer. Once a week or twice a month, use a scrub and a clay mask, and you'll have beautiful, glowing, vibrant skin. This is not expensive. You use good products until they're completely finished, and it lasts about 6 to 8 months. My products actually last me longer than 8 months, and that's it. We don't have to have a lot of steps. We don't have to have things be confusing, and all of this should take you 2 to 5 minutes maximum. So there you go. That's it. Basic skincare, very easy. Please hit the subscribe button and continue to watch for more tutorials, product reviews, and inside tips and tricks.